Hi! Welcome to AgriEuro's YouTube channel. First, we will explain the product's main features. Then we will walk you through the assembly steps, making it easier for you to assemble the product on your own. Please note that AgriEuro is the only e-commerce allowing a full supply of spare parts for the entire life of your product. We offer full support for both repairs and service thanks to a Maxi repair shop on site or through one of our 400 partner service centers scattered throughout Europe. Now, let's explore our product key features. The BlackStone SHRED 45BL Plus electric shredder is designed to reduce pruning waste and branches with a maximum diameter of 45 mm. Equipped with a 2,800-watt electric motor, it reaches a rotation speed of 4,500 revolutions per minute, ensuring fast and efficient processing. The 230-volt, 50 Hz power supply allows connection to standard household outlets. The cutting system consists of two SK5 steel knives, a wear-resistant material that maintains sharpness over time. The reversible blades extend overall durability and ensure high shredding efficiency. The shredded material is collected in a 50-liter container, simplifying waste management. The compact structure features a stable frame for safe use. The 180mm wheels facilitate transport across different surfaces. These features make the device suitable for handling branches and plant residues for composting or mulching. Now, for the product assembly guide. Visit our official website AgriEuro and check out our offers. Click on the link in the description below to learn more.